Hi friends, welcome back. Now let's start how to install Windows 10 on VirtualBox step by step. Click on Oracle VirtualBox, which is already installed, and click Open. Click on New. Name the virtual machine to identify. So I am giving VM Win 10. Import downloaded Windows 10 ISO file. Head over to the official Microsoft website and download the ISO image file for Windows 10. If you are new here and not sure to download ISO image, please watch the video link given in the description about how to download Windows ISO image. Now click on Hardware and choose the memory you want to allocate for Windows. I am giving nearly 4 gigabytes. Processors, I have selected 2 core CPUs. Next, we need to create a virtual hard disk. I suggest leaving it as VDI, VirtualBox Disk Image, and 50 gigabytes should be plenty for a basic installation, but you can increase this if you plan on installing many applications in the virtual machine. Once you've set the size, click Finish. Now click on Settings. Go to Network. Select Bridge Adapter, which, after changing the bridge adapter, your system's physical Wi-Fi driver links to VM, which allows to connect internet on your virtual machine. Click on OK. Click on Start. Wait for it to boot. Prompt will appear to install Windows 10 64-bit or Windows 10 32-bit. I will choose 64-bit and hit Enter. Now the installation starts. Select as it is default and click on Next. Click on Install Now. Since I am using this lab purpose, I choose I don't have product key and click Next. Select Windows 10 Pro 64-bit and click Next. Tick on the checkbox to agree terms and conditions and click Next. You need to select the second option. You remember in the starting stage I have created only 50 gig, the same space shows here, and click Next. Let's wait for installation complete. I am just fast forwarding the video. Click on Restart or wait until system restarts. Select your region and click Yes. Select the keyboard layout. I am select English India and click Yes. Click Skip. Select Setup for an organization and click Next. I am creating local account, hence I don't need Microsoft account to set up. Click on Domain Join instead and create username and password to log in. Create a security questions. It will prompt if you forgot the password. For temporary purpose, I am giving 1, 2, and 3. I am just ignoring the setup. Click Accept. Skip this page. I don't want to enable Cortana now, so click Not Now. And there you have it. You successfully installed Windows 10 in VirtualBox. Now you can run Windows and any Windows applications inside your virtual machine. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.